Welcome to this tutorial where I show you how to colour Penny Black's Santa's hat. Stamp the image using Memento Tuxedo Black ink onto white card. I'm using Express It blending cardstock. Take the burgundy Chameleon pen and add in the shadow areas and also the creases in the hat. I'm using the bullet nib and not fusing. Then take the crimson red pen with the bullet nib again without fusing and add another layer of shadow to the edge. Then swap to the brush nib, fuse for 10 seconds and colour out, blending the other two coloured areas in. Repeat this until the whole of the hat is coloured. Then go over the whole area with the coral red pen. Take the sand pen and fuse for 5 seconds and colour from the centre of the hedgehog's body out towards the edges. Then take the dusty rose pen and colour the cheeks after fusing for 3 seconds. Fuse the bisque pen with the sand colour top for 8 seconds and then colour from the middle of the hedgehog out again. Then go over the whole area again with the sand chameleon pen without fusing. Take the crimson red pen and use the bullet nib to colour the edges of the stripes on the stocking. Then fuse for 3 seconds and colour in the remaining area. Then repeat this process using the spring meadow pen for the remaining stripes. Fuse the cool grey 5 pen for 5 seconds and colour in the areas of the fur with a flicking motion. Then fuse the sky blue pen for 3 seconds and colour over the grey area to soften and give a cool effect. Take the burnt umber pen and fuse the brush nib for 5 seconds and colour from the centre of the hedgehog out towards the edge of the prickles. Then swap to the bullet nib and add little tiny flicks for prickles without fusing. Then take the bark pen and again use the bullet nib to add more prickles, again without fusing. Finally, take the taupe pen and soften the whole area of the prickles by just going over without fusing. Die cut a rectangular frame with the base slightly deeper than the top. Then cut no two are alike from white card and also the Santa's hat using the die cut. Stamp Winter Wishes on the bottom of the frame using Memento Tuxedo Black ink. Then attach acetate to the back of the frame. Cut some of the snowflakes out of the frame so that the hedgehog fits neatly inside without being obscured. Then glue into the centre of the frame. Place foam tape all the way around the edge of the inside of the frame and attach the hedgehog to a small strip of acetate and glue into the bottom. Then add a second layer of foam tape all the way around the edge of the frame. Apply Salty Ocean Distressed Oxide to white card and then go around the edges again, this time using Faded Jeans. Add some water to your craft sheet and then paint in some snowbanks. Use a paper towel to dab off excess ink. Then splatter the whole area with water and dab off the excess. Use Copic white and splatter more snow. Enhance the snowbanks with watered down Copic white. Place some snow dust, some micro beads and some ice diamond into your acetate panel and then glue on the back of the panel. Your shaker card element is now complete. Adhere onto the front of a card blank, and then take the remaining snowflakes and add a few around the edges to give extra detail and dimension. Your card is now complete. A full list of instructions will now appear at the end of this video. Thanks for watching.